Emzimbeni kunjani baba?
Esiyaphila noma singaphilanga uyazi ipressure ikubalandeli, ipressure ikubadlali, ipressure ikmanagement, ipressure ikucoach. Each and everyone kwi-Orlando Pirates family sizibona siyifuna iBetway Premier League, but bokukhona into beyithi i-draw sifanele iwin waya my win Sundowns siyawina manje njengasesidrawile asanwase siphi chance ukuthi event ivula igap. Yeah, that's why ngisho ukuthi mawubona abalandeli behlakahlakana enhloko bekuphakuphana enhloko belwana for into ngathi ayina reason. No, ine reason. Abalandeli nabo bane pressure bazifila bezibona iBetway beyifanele kweyiPirates. Unfortunately into shintshile. Mina lapha ngayibona khona ukuthi le Betway yocishe isibhude masivuma ukuluza kwiSundowns. Sundowns yona defending champions kumele ushaye yona mafuna ukuba champion. Kodwa ke ngizocela kubalandeli bePirates ukuthi makubhakania, never give up. Asiphenje team yethu support okuningi sokuzenzekela. Yeah, makula nje earena asenze ne full house. And ngiyayibonga isupport namhlanje engiyibonile. Support namhlanje be powerful kakhulu. Uyazi ke njengasibambe idraw kukhona asebeqala ukucelebrate and kubhlungu ukucelebrate uthi Pirates yehlulwa iBetway usho iPirates sena 2 cups yabona nje ngina 2 cups amanye ama team akakabi nalutho but ngoba sabalandeli emqondweni sigcwele trauma abanye ba very confused. How come ukuthi ungahleka iPirates na 2 cups of which awuna lutho teamini yakho achievement awunayo ukuthi masingayibiza ngesitaro ngegama eledela ukuthi ama opposition supporters nama team angabe manje ahleka iPirates should bona banabo coach aba useless because ocoach thina manje uAbdullah una 2 cups kwiposition futhi yeBetway umekahle ayifani yala season leBetway. Le Betway umehluko manje sokumele kuba ama goals. Yeah, into besingayibonanga kulamalo kuzana. Yeah. Ukuthi iBetway at this time iyarock. Ingabona umhleze emincile osikhukhuni bekwazi kusuka le sikhukhuni bezela earena bezobukela iPirates. Yeah. Abanye basuka le naShurena bezobukela iPirates la. Abanye basuka le eMaraba Start bezobukela iPirates la earena. Ngobani? Ngale at least lona ubeze esakudala madoda esakudala ngempela. Kodwa asikubongela asithi nje okuhle ebholeni shokuthi le season bokuyisizini eberock ya isizini ebemnandi into engayisho nje kubadlali bePirates abafocus abalungise ama setup ku training. Uyabona mandlala ibhola eli professional ine style so lekuna style bathi forced goal lenzeke because you are a professional and bahlezi bona iform yabo hlezi intop bema sikhuluma ukuthi sikhuluma ngama team team utholi kunzima nokuthi ifike eboxini lika 18 area leyo team angeke iziyenze ukufoster kube khona isimple goal but i-team njengane yethu iyenza izinto zenzeke but mabefika kuma 18 area basinikeza lento ekuthiwa ngesilungu abokwinda abafundile le event ekuthiwa no but it's a poor finishing. Yabona mawufika mawuzodlala ufike epalini ubese bone poor finishing shokuthi umsebenzi wakho ukuthi awukho uthi all along utrainer ayikho into oboyazi mawutrainer very hard mawufika ku 18 area iba ne finishing. Yeah, mawuzohlulwa i-finishing ube ne poor finishing somehow there's something wrong. Kumele uzazi indaba zakho umdlali. Yeah, kumele khona ama chances esithi kumele ehlule umdlali kunama chances uma ku professional kumele ungehlulwa i-chance njalo more especially uyabona manje Pirates bayazi ukuthi between bona ne Sundowns u tour die and then mangabe kuzoba abadlali bethu abazanikeza i-Sundowns i-chance manje sithini anyway sizoqhubeka siba support angibele ekutheni bafowethu siyacela futhi uphinde siqhubeke sazisa abalandeli bebhola ukuthi i-memorial service ekamakhala njalo uShaz Fantis kusasa 11 o'clock eSoweto eDlamini community hall uma nje ufika eMoroka epolice station kuleyo sekela ungena ngeKomaro road ya mawufika nje lapho uzobona igarage next to garage so ufikile so phani umakhala njalo i-memorial service eyideservayo njenganomlandeli ebengathi nama ngimbiza ngithi bekuyi-soccer slaves ya ngoba uma siyabona babona labafoto bela njalo ubona bekugcwele la stadium I think mhlamba ama-complimentary be very few the rest abantu bezithengela amatikiti wabo ukuthi bezosupporta bezobona ibhola shuthi abantu abanjalo badeserve ukuthi sibanikeze uma ngaNkulunkulu omunye ngelinye ilanga ithathe mina abafowethu beze bazofakaza ngami ukuthi no besikade sithanda ibhola asikho kugangster abanye bayesaba manga bakuma-gangster ngoba phela beqhuma insimbi ukuthi asikule memorial services singabhayisiseka la kodwa thina be-football sithi come one come all bafowethu sizovalisa kumakhala njalo ngoba next week ngezi-21 abanye mhlawumbe ngeke bakwazi ukuphumelela bayofika esosoli lapho esiyomngcwaba khona ngithi-ke Mabhakaniya what's a pirate
always a pirate danko
Danko.
Danko.